Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite productivity hacks, the top 3 method. It's simple, it's realistic, and it's the reason I can run multiple businesses and still avoid burnout. Most of us start the day with a long to-do list, and honestly, it's overwhelming. You either end up multitasking or feeling guilty when you don't get everything finished. That's where my top 3 method comes in. Instead of trying to do it all, I pick 3 tasks, the ones that will make the biggest impact. These become my non-negotiables for the day. Once I have my top 3, I block time for them in my calendar. That way, they aren't just wishes on a list, they're scheduled. If I finish them, I can move on to smaller tasks, but if not, I still end the day feeling accomplished. The best part? It prevents burnout. Instead of chasing 15 half-finished tasks, I complete 3 that really move the needle in business, family, or personal life. And that momentum feels amazing. Some days my top 3 are business focused, like filming content or sending client proposals. That's when I also use my Productivity Prism paper planner to make sure I'm staying consistent without overloading myself. And what I mean by that is that the Productivity Prism planner that I created, shameless plug, breaks tasks down by time, which helps you feel less overwhelmed. It also does have a section for your top 3 for the day and your main priority, so you can easily glance at your planner and then also break it down by time, as it does have a time blocking section. And that's the top 3 method. It keeps me productive, focused, and stress-free. Well, for the most part, stress-free, even with a busy schedule. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by long to-do lists, try this out. I promise it changes everything. If this was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more productivity tips, planning routines, and behind the scenes of running multiple businesses. Comment below. What would be your top 3 for today? Again, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you very much, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!